Hi, in this video I will show you how the Edison robot can be programmed to either chase light or to run away from it while at the same time staying inside the borders that marked by this black line. This program is a combination of follow the light and bouncing inside the borders. So what you need for this program are three flashlights or two or three to basically create enough brightness on one side of the board while on the other side of the board will remain dark. When you turn on your Edison robot, it's going to try to follow the light, go towards it. Once it reaches the black line at the end, it's going to turn away and start running away from the light until it reaches the black line towards the dark side. After that, it will repeat the process. Then it will start chasing the light again and it will start moving towards where the flashlights are.